I guess you could say I'm making banana something or other. This is banana oat bran cake. Give it a good mush up. Usually I prefer a much riper banana, but this is all I have, so that's what I'm using. There we go, that's all mushed up. So in this dish I've got 2 large tablespoons of oat bran, and into that I'm going to put a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a tiny pinch of bicarb, not a lot, and some low-calorie granulated sweetener, tablespoon. Okay, give those a stir around. All the dry ingredients together first. Okay, so next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of skim milk, 1, 2, a couple of drops of vanilla extract. You don't need any more than 1/4 teaspoon, just a couple of drops. And an egg going in. And the mashed banana, that's going in. Smells lovely. But I do love my cinnamon and bananas, 2 of my favourite ingredients going on here. Just give it a whisk up. Now this is a oat bran mug cake, which are quite popular, and most people like them. I like to make all different kinds of flavours, but I think the banana and cinnamon one is perhaps one of my favourites. Just keep whisking it together so it all works in. Now, I have made these in mugs before, but I prefer to make mine, I think they come out more successfully, in a small basin. I'll just get one out to show you what I'm going to use. Okay, there it is. So just a little bit of fry light in there. Oh, actually that needs a wipe. I don't know what I've got in that. Wipe it round to that again. A little bit of fry light. And then all of this just goes in to the dish. Like so. It's only 2 tablespoons of oat bran. It's not a huge amount. The liquid and the banana make the volume seem much more. So that's going to go in the microwave now for 3 minutes. But you'll be pleased to know I've already pre-made one. I'll be back. 3 minutes. Uncook. And here's one I made earlier. Ta-da! Let's just move my bits to one side. Oh, sit down. You're a good boy. Come on. Right, Darren, raise your dish up, please. You boys, behave. So just make sure it's loose around the edge. Looks good to me. Plate on top. Turn it over. Abracadabra. And with a bit of luck, it hasn't stuck. Ta-da! There you go. Isn't that lovely? Little sprinkling of cinnamon on top. Ooh. And because I'm worth it, I'm going to sprinkle on 5 grams of almonds. And this will be served after I've eaten my dinner with my favourite yoghurt, Alpro Light. Actually, I don't think I need 5 grams. Just over 2 there, that's plenty for me. Wow, look at that, isn't that pretty? So as you can see, I think it works out much better with the little basin. That's approximately 200 mils, and it's just the regular amounts that you put in a mug cake recipe. So have a go at creating your own interpretation of a mug cake. Use a basin if you want, use a mug if you want, doesn't really matter. This is your choice. Go baking and enjoy.